Withdraw on Binance in Australia using bank transfer. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw on Binance in Australia using bank transfer. Now, first of all, make sure you log into your Binance account. Now head over to trade. Now click on P2P. Now after that, now make sure you select sell, not buy, because we want to withdraw our money to using bank transfer. Now after that, select the payment, and after that, make sure you select the currency here. Now if you want USDT, BTC, or any the crypto that you have in your balance. Now after that, make sure you select the right currency of your local country. Now for this, it will be the, the currency of Australia. Now the payment, make sure you select bank transfer. Now after this, it will show you the all advertiser that accept bank transfer. Now after that, you select your seller or that you want to sell your crypto. Now just click on sell USDT. Now after that, make sure to read all the instructions or advertisers terms, and after that enter how much of USDT you want to sell. Like for this, I want to sell 100. Now after that, select the payment and make sure you select the bank transfer. Now tap on plus and enter all of your bank information and click on confirm to add your bank. So after that, you can now withdraw on Binance in Australia using bank transfer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.